Hello all, I'm TD Joseph. We welcome all to Kadai MCHI e-Business exclusive edition with Asian Paints. After the success of three editions of e-Business, we are back with Kadai MCHI Business, and our tagline is where business is just a click away. Thanks to digital platform, we have delegates from all part of India, especially South and West. So we have targeted at South and West this time. And we have a second session again next Friday, that is on 22nd. We have Mr. Subhash Chandra Bose Katori, a very unique, very unique name, a managing director, Pride Group, general secretary of Kradai, Andhra Pradesh. Sir, how is the market there post-COVID?
Yeah, now,
Bombay is rocking. How about AP?
yeah. Good afternoon, everyone. First of all, Happy New Year and Happy Pongal to South Indian people. And you're asking for market in Andhra Pradesh. Now it is picking up after COVID uh, uh, effect.
Okay. So Bombay, Maharashtra is doing good. We did the
Yes,
highest sales.
Yeah.
So,
I read in the market. I read in the magazine, business reviews. It is highest sale in the month of December, I think so.
okay. And there was off late there was a news that you fought with the sand price reduction, and there was some news. What you want to say something on that?
Yeah, actually, sand is a main procurement in our for our industry. It is absolutely, everyone know the thing. But actually, see, all the natural sand are dried up because we are getting so many issues in this area, especially. And the same manner in Andhra Pradesh also recent times, the government of AP is not giving permission for builders to getting sand in a proper way of doing things. And moreover, what we learned is this is also a new challenge. Every time we have to face the challenges and change our motto towards working style and all these things. We adopted to rock sand, and that is
Okay.
given a very good result for us. And moreover, even we are going for ready mix concrete and all. We are reducing the sand uses in some areas, and as well as we are using M sand, manufacturing sand. Then automatically we came up with a very good solution.
Okay. Thank you so much, sir. I was discussing this topic because sand and steel and cement is the major topic now, and
Yes,
everyone is talking
exactly. You
about
know
it.
very well. Cement and already iron steel is also now it is in a high rate.
Yeah,
Market
yeah, yeah.
all time high. I think so. It is we are facing trouble in that areas also.
So thank you, Mr. Bose. Now I'll come to the main part of the business. I have given a script. I have given a huge script about Asian Paints, but generally my nature is I never read the script. I go impromptu. So what I want to say is during our B school and during our uh, regular education, doing our post graduation, we were always taught about the multinational, transnational, this national, that company, and we were always proud of Asian Paints being uh, the Indian multinational company. So
Yes,
it's a pride, privilege, honor to host this with Asian Paints. And again, it's a pride, privilege, honor that Asian Paints have joined hands with Creda MCHI. It's a strategic partnership. Very happy to have
yeah.
very senior members from Asian Paints team here. And now I have to read because a lot of names. I would like to welcome the entire Asian Paints team, starting from Mr. Pragyan Kumar. He's the Vice President, Home Improvement. Then we have Mr. Shyam Swami, Associate Vice President, Project Sales Service and Retailing and Decor. Mr. Ashish Ray, RAE, General Manager, Bad Division, Home Improvement. Mr. Maulik Desai, Business Head, Sleek, Home Improvement. Mr. Amit Razde, General Manager, Project Sales. Mr. Vikram Singh Dhingra, National Sales and Service Head, Bad Division, Home Improvement. Then we have Mr. Manoj Viramani, Sales and Marketing Head, Sleek Home. Then we have Mr. Rajat Katyal, Project Sales Head, North Central and South. Mr. Jaidat Udyavar, Brand Manager. Mr. G. Suresh Reddy, Project Sales Manager, South, Sleek Home Improvement. Last but not the least, we have Mr. Abhinav Jain, Brand Manager, Bart Division, Home Improvement. We welcome you all. Thank you, Abhinav, for coordinating this entire meeting. Now I would like to introduce Mr. Nilesh Puranik. He is the co-promoter of Puranik Developers, which is one of the top developers in Mumbai and Pune. He is civil engineer by profession and co-promoter of Puranik. Mr. Puranik, can you brief about Asian Paints?
Thank you, Joseph. Thank you very much. Good afternoon all, and once again, Happy New Year to all of you. It's my privilege to introduce Asian Paint. I guess Asian Paint really need a introduction because everyone know Asian Paint very well. Being a paint manufacturer, but one more thing which I have noticed in the recent period, they have all ranges of bouquet of all other products, which is really appreciating. So in today's exclusive business presented by Asian Paints, we would like to welcome the entire team of Asian Paint to the e-business. The company has come a long way since its small beginning in 1942. Over the course of 25 years, Asian Paints become a corporate force and India's leading paint company. Driven by its strong consumer focus and innovative spirit, the company has been the market leader in paint since 1967. Over the above decorative paint, they have their presence in mechanized and non-mechanized tools, including industrial coating, waterproofing, construction chemicals, bath fitting, sanitary ware, and modular kitchen as well. So wish you all very good luck and looking forward to see your presentation. Thank you very much once again. Over to you, Joseph.
Thank you, Nilesh bhai. Thank you so much. I also, as I said, that I'm very impromptu. I don't read the script. There was one thing which I wanted to say, that it's nicely written that it's a brand solution team. So I am ex Times of India, and so even if you see, Times of India is a huge media house where we had Times of India Main, then we have Mumbai Mirror, Economic Times, television, radio. So we had a bouquet of medium. So what we did is we also had this brand solution. We made a brand solution team. So advertisers used to get confused, if they want to advertise in all the medium. So, then they have to approach Times of India, Mumbai Mirror separately. So what we did is we also started this brand solution team, and I was leading one of the division. So when we spoke to Mr. Katyal, when he said that, that we have this brand solution and under one roof. So I was just recollecting my days, and I was telling him that this is the nice thing. This is the right thing which has happened and at the right time. Now the real estate industry, we have seen it was going through such a tough time since so many years. Now the industry is, if you see, the sentiments are good. Stamp duty reduction is almost nil. Then developers are giving good price. Interest rate is the lowest in the history. So this is the right time, and people are buying also, if you see. And this is the right time. There are a lot of launches. Believe me, Asian Paint team, there are a lot of launches. Believe me, there are a lot of launches pan-India. People were just waiting, especially in Mumbai. People were just waiting for this BMC reduction of that premium. And 50% reduction of premium will give a lot of benefit to the developers. So there were a lot of developers, a lot of launches. They were sitting on the fence, and they will launch now as soon as possible. And this is the right time. We are reaching out to developers pan-India. So one is this. Second is, generally it's a tradition of our business that we have a tete with the host team. So Asian Paint is our host, and we have a small tete with Mr. Pragyan Kumar. So let me introduce Mr. Pragyan Kumar. He is the as I said, he's the Vice President Home Improvement, and at the same time he has a huge. Generally, even in a past organization like Times, we have always seen that people have grown in the organization. That is the best part of any organization. And here, when I see his background, you have also grown from sales manager to vice president. He has a vast experience in this domain. He knows in and out about the Asian Paints various division, has been leading the home improvement since the inception. Last but not the least, the best leadership quality he has. You started your journey in 1996, right, Mr. Pragyan? from area sales
That's
manager
right.
to becoming a vice president. So we have a few questions. The first question is very common, about the lockdown. So tell me, how is your work culture in this period? Because since officially we are in lockdown, it's not yet open.
Yeah. So, like you mentioned, a lot of us who actually are on the call today from Asian Paints, for us, this has been our first job, and we have been working with the company, right after we finished our education. And Asian Paints, therefore, is like home and family to all of us. And we've been, so in the lockdown, obviously the lockdown also went through like a series of phases, right? So initially, obviously there was this bit that, it's shut down and maybe it'll open up pretty soon. And then, of course, it went on for quite some time, and all of us adapted to working from home, right? So, and I'm also one of those guys who believe a lot more in physical, one-on-one interaction, and coming from, let's say, the sales background, and growing up in working, it was all about meeting people and trying to understand how things are and what can be done together, right? So, but moving on to this digital way, working on Zoom, working on all other platforms, I think that is something that all of us also very quickly adapted to. But one of the things that also happened during this period of time is that, many of us also went through, significant bit of hardships, right? People falling ill and sick in our families, and then taking care of that. I think that was a primary objective for all of us, to make sure that all of us are a family of employees, a family of dealers, and everybody who's connected with us, and even customers, just ensuring that everybody is doing okay and they're not coming to any kind of hardship, during the situation, that they're able to kind of see this phase through. I think that is something that all of us were engaged in, and making sure that, everybody's doing well and okay and is taken care of. That was something that consumed all of us. And that's something that we kind of, so we were working from home till November. Our offices were shut. 1st of November, our offices opened. The sales guys were on the job, and in the field, factories had started operating from sometime mid-May, wherever the permissions were given. So a lot of work was happening, but yeah, physically, and in spaces, obviously, whatever were the restrictions, we were kind of abiding by that, and making sure that, wherever everybody who's trying to kind of make sure that jobs get done, pending work, which is there, right? Whether it is paint or kitchen or bathrooms, a lot of work which got stopped, and making sure that some of those commitments that all of our customers have also made to their customers, right? So those kind of things are met. So, it has been a hectic time, and overall as a company, I think we've done well in terms of taking care of each other, taking care of the difficulties that came in the way of employees or customers, dealers. And then, of course, as business kind of opened up, making sure that, everything was available and was well supported during this entire period. So yeah, so the lockdown period has been interesting, full of lots of memories, like all of us will have about, I'm pretty sure that all of us will have lots of things to reminisce about, what happened during this period over a long period of time. So it's been full of challenges, but full of achievements for all of us and everybody who's associated with us. So interesting times.
So even IPL happened at the right time, so there was some entertainment for us watching IPL. I'm sure you must have watched the IPL.
Yeah, a little bit of that. There were actually a lot more things going on at that point of time, and there was actually hardly any time. In fact, us in the company, we went into an overdrive. So our meetings would begin right at 8:30 in the morning, and would go on till 9, 10 in the night. And all of us, many of us here in the call will, I see their faces turning into smiles. Dekho, kitna kam, the amount of work that happened during the time, and some of that adding to the whole stress of dealing with the situation. So yeah, got to see some IPL, but I've actually been more fortunate to follow up the more interesting India-Australia series now. So obviously that's something that's so yeah. Personally, I didn't follow.
So today was not a great day for us. It's 287 for 5, the last score. So
yeah, but it's a new guys coming up, so it's good to see some newcomers coming up, and the future of India is shaping up on the cricket front as well. So that's very good to see.
So, and what about movies? So you watch movies?
Yeah, whatever my wife is watching, I join in. So that's something, got to see some movies, some things that I hadn't caught up in a long, long time. So on and off, So I do remember, watching Ludo that came out during this time. So that was an interesting movie, and of course some bit of some of the series here. Um, so like I said, whatever my wife is watching, and she's got things sorted out in terms of whether it's right now it is Master Chef is her, thing right now, and I get to watch some of it as we kind of close the day. So that's where it
So
is
all,
at.
all,
But yeah,
all have become master chef now.
absolutely. Yeah, the kind of things that all of us have learned to cook, and I know some of the cooking experience even from the other Asian Paints guys that I've kind of heard, let's say from Maulik or even Suresh Reddy, kind of dishes that they spoke about. Yeah, you come to our homes and we'll treat you to a self-made nice piece of meal, and you'll be assured that it's not something that you're going to give a skip. So hospitality assured, handmade hospitality assured for all of you.
In this entire screen, so I have a galaxy view. I could see you are the fittest. I always thought that, I am the fittest. So I could see you, I could see your jawline and all. So how did you manage to keep yourself fit? Because I'm not working out since last 9 months. No gymming, nothing, only walking.
You're not really seeing the other fitter guys, but yeah, it's some bit of exercises is part of the daily routine. I do love running. Was not able to do much of that during the whole lockdown period, but once things were a little easier, do go out for a run 3 to 5 days a week, and that's something that kind of keeping me fit, and also it's a good time to think a lot of things through. So yeah, so that's
What is the special presentation today all about? So it's post COVID. There are new things happening, new normal. Everything is new. Everything is new. So what is special to all our developers members?
yeah. So like Nilesh ji mentioned, Asian Paints is kind of over a period of time. We were obviously paint as a core business, and like you said, 75 years of making great paint and making India colorful and well protected across different segments. That's been what Asian Paints has been all about. But over the last close to 7 years and more, we said that we'll make a move from not just being a paint company to being a more holistic decor company. And one of the few things that we kind of started with initially was getting into this modular kitchen space. So taking up the kitchen space, we acquired Sleek in 2013. That was an acquisition that we did, and we have kind of scaled up that business over this period of time. Soon after, in 2014, we also had an acquisition in the bathroom space, SS Bathroom Products Private Limited, and therefore that is the business that we also scaled up from 2014 onwards, and we have added a whole range of products and expertise in that area. So Asian Paints is not just now a paint company, but also is into the space of paint, kitchens, bathrooms. It has also built up a whole lot of expertise in the area of waterproofing. And while doing all of this, it's moved from just being a product only company to a lot of solutions, because in all these areas, you have to take care of not just providing the product, but also making sure that the application is right and that the experience that, let's say, builders have or customers have, there are no hassles and there are no failures, and everything is kind of taken care of, right? So because when you're buying something from Asian Paints, you're assured of quality, you're assured of commitment from the company that, it's a name that's on the product, it's a name that's on the surface, and that anything that is going up has a personal guarantee, right? So that therefore everything will be worked out right. And it's not just the product, but the entire solution is what you're kind of looking at. And therefore moving from products to solutions is also something that you'll also see in the kind of in the presentation that we'll be sharing. So, Asian Paints, actually, we have been thinking about a lot of conversation in the company, whether you should actually still call yourself a paints company or you should expand it to, something like an Asian Homes company, right?
Solution.
So, which is, yeah, that's right. So dealing with a lot of products that go into the home, at the same time providing full solutions and not just products. So that's what anyone can rely on us rely on us for.
So as I said, yeah. So as I said, the market sentiments are good. There are a lot of new launches, and this is the right time. You started with this brand solution, and all the brands under one umbrella. Even for developers, our developers members, it would be easy that one person coming in and talking about the entire umbrella brand. So let's Abhinav, let's start the presentation.
Sure. I'll just share my screen. Yeah, I would like to invite Jaydutt to start off.
Yeah, hi everyone. So I think just getting the PPT off to a start. I think the first thing that we would probably like to talk about is the company itself. I think Mr. Pragyan and also Mr. Joseph, you all discussed about how this company is now grown beyond just being a paint company. So I think yeah, so just to cover kind of what the journey of Asian Paints has been like, I think Mr. Puranik covered it very well at the beginning by kind of talking about where we started from. I think the Asian Paints journey is something that is well known to most of the people in India. We started off as just a paint company, but by 1967 we were the market leaders, and since then we've come a long way with offerings not just in the decorative segment in India and overseas, but also in the industrial and automotive segments. Over the course of these years, we've had a lot of innovations, a lot of new segments that we've entered, and in 2017 we finished 75 years of innovation. Which also heralded, I would say, a new era for the company as we kind of broadened the definition of home decor and what it is that we stand as a company. Coming to what we're talking about today specifically, I think we've always been very connected to our customers as a company. And as the Indian market has grown, so have we. Through our home improvement vertical, we've brought in offerings in the bath and kitchen segments through BathSense and Sleek. This year, we've also seen an entry into the world of lighting, furnishings, furniture. In the health and hygiene space as well, Asian Paints is now offering a wide range of products and services which are the need of the hour. The driving force behind this expansion across various segments has been down to, I would say, the evolution of our customers and the need for us to be present in their minds, not just as a paint company, but for the entire idea of home decor. To be able to present in all these spaces, to be able to offer a very comprehensive product and offering or a solution. This is what has kind of driven this entire expansion. During the course of this presentation, we will be discussing these newer businesses in depth, along with how we are integrating these offerings with project sales, which is our institutional business arm. So moving on, Asian Paints Project Sales. This is our institutional business arm, which offers a wide variety of products and services that cater to the needs specifically of large users, and also helps them choose the correct solutions for their projects. In light of the newer segments that are there in our company today, project sales essentially acts as a common platform to integrate all these solutions for the institutional customer. Some of the key aspects of project sales that we normally talk about are a focus or a very strong focus on the technical aspects of each project. This is enabled through our technical support on-site, assistance in terms of training, detailed reports that we offer for all the work that Asian Paints is involved with on-site. A strong facet also comes in from the advice from decor consultants on picking and visualizing colors via both digital tools and actual physical sampling. Also, the introduction to expert applicators or consultants, which help us ensure a flawless delivery of the products that we talk about. And of course, the main aspect of any project sales, sort of scenario is the preferential pricing for bulk requirements, and also a wide network of delivery services, which help builders or any other large project execution teams to save on time and hassle. Coming to some of the newer services that we've launched, which we will talk about. Firstly, we're talking about Smart Assure. Smart Assure is our next gen service, which is aimed at executing waterproofing work on sites in a seamless and expert manner. The service provides an expert customized solution that encompasses aspects of project management like scheduling, optimization of material and labor utilization, periodic reports throughout the life of the project, and also audits. On the execution front, we partner with a team of specialized applicators, which gives them access to a wide range of products and mechanized tools. This ensures a certain level of quality, that we take pride in terms of the delivery of the product and the service at the end of the day. We've also integrated into this entire Smart Assure service a very robust post-execution redressal mechanism. This aims at basically being able to guide the customers through the life of not just the project until our execution is completed, but post that as well. It helps us speedily resolve any sort of issues that may arise post the service utilization by the customer. Next up, we speak about Bath Assure. Now, I think it's a common known fact that in India, bathrooms contribute up to 40% of waterproofing issues that arise at sites. The repair of such areas is a time and cost intensive process for not just large institutional customers, but also the end consumer who eventually occupies these spaces. The issues come up from a wide variety of areas, the sunken areas, the bathroom tile surfaces, the actual construction of the site itself, also in terms of the pipelines, the fittings, and all the other aspects that are forming a part of the bathroom. What Bath Assure actually does is able to offer an end-to-end solution which encompasses all of these areas. So essentially, it utilizes our expertise in waterproofing products, which are made for various surfaces. In this case, you have sunken areas, floor beds, the tiling and grouting, the shower splash areas. All of this is taken care of by our product range, which is a fairly wide and comprehensive one at this point. On the other hand, we also have the BathSense offering, which helps us bring to the table state-of-the-art sanitary ware and bathware that not just ensures performance, but also kind of ticks all the boxes on the aesthetic front. So by merging these two areas, I think Bath Assure, what we bring to the table is a very comprehensive offering that is preventive in nature and doesn't, it takes care of a lot of mind space of the consumer and the institutional project holders itself, wherein it comes to something that's long lasting. Moving on to the next subject, which is, I would say, addresses a very critical need of the hour. SaniSure Pro is a unique sanitization service that we've launched. This is designed to safeguard large premises for up to 90 days. This is done through the application of water-based advanced cationic silver nanoparticle technology. This is a self-protecting coating. The product is non-toxic in nature, recoatable, and has compatibility across a wide variety of surfaces. The main feature that we like to talk about here is the fact that while it does provide 99.9% protection from these various microbes, germs we speak about, this is also backed up and validated by a variety of test certifications as per global standards like GIS, ISO, and a lot of other ones as well. So this coating is applied by a team of specialized trained applicators. What it does is it assures protection not just against virus, bacteria, and other germs that might be present on surfaces. It eliminates them, but it also, more importantly, helps prevent their growth for a period of 90 days. So this service, I would say, perfectly encapsulates the strength of the new Asian Paints, which is the ability to innovate and adapt to changes in the market and offer a high quality offering in such a critical space in today's day and age. So moving on to the next part of the presentation, I would request Mr. Suresh Reddy to take over. Suresh?
Yeah, thanks, Ted. Yeah, everyone, welcome to the Sleek presentation. So, yeah, Sleek started its journey in 1993, where Asian Paint has acquired a Sleek business in the year 2013. Currently, we are having around 5,000 plus component dealers across Pan India, and we are having exclusive 200 plus exclusive showrooms in India where the kitchen and wardrobes are being displayed, so where customer can walk in and have a touch and feel of the entire kitchen space. We do have a certain innovative concepts called a smart kitchen range, which actually customizes to the typical Indian new emerging consumer and wardrobes. Currently, we are at a turnover of around 250 crores plus. That is what the currently in terms of revenue is concerned. Yeah, as I said, we are a pan-India presence right from Kashmir to Kanyakumari. We got stores across, so we are reach across all the metros we are present right now. It's also not only across metros, we are present in Tier 2 and Tier 3 cities also, providing the value of Asian Paint across the Indian consumer. That is what we are delivering right now. So we have the unique specialty in terms of bone manufacturing, and we are the pioneers in terms of standardizing the sizes of the baskets. Currently, we have a capacity of around 7,000 kitchen installation happening right now with this capacity. So components, so we also deliver the customers who are not able to actually afford for the modular. We are also delivering services with our component services to this and customers who are actually not able to fit into the current price segment. Yeah, getting into the more details in terms of the modular kitchen. So I just detail in terms of how the product portfolio is all about made up of. Yeah, So basically the modular kitchen, as you know, is being by and large is categorized into 4 different categories. One is the hardware, one is accessories, finishes, and the appliances range. I'll have a slight detail in terms of these product categories so that you'll have a clear understanding like what is the depth of knowledge we got in terms of this modular kitchens. Yeah, this is the one of the finish which we called as a matte pro finish. So typical Indian consumer has the problem of the stains happening across all the finishes, which actually gives a bad look. So this matte pro is a perfect solution to the Indian basic consumer, saying that this is a fingerprint resistant, dust opposing resistant, and highly durable. So whatever the products we are offering right now are purely in terms of customer problem, identified the customer problem, and actually made a solutions to that. Yeah. So this is one of the exclusive offering from the Sleek. So if you see the top veneer finish, this is veneer has a unique proposition. This is the veneer made up of banana veneer, which got a uniform grain pattern. This is one of its kind. Entire India is offering. And down, if you see, that is the Korean offering. So normally, typically, the Korean is used for the countertops. So we made this particular unique offering of the Korean with a backlight. It actually gives highlight customer a feel of like the I own this kitchen. That's right. Actually, we actually so this is the range of product portfolio we want to actually make it. Yes, move on. So this is one of the porcelain kitchen. We call it as a Claytex. So this is made up of pure clay material and minerals. This has the beauty of this material is this comes with a low porosity. When I say the low porosity, the sinking of any stains on the countertop or on the shutter is minimalistic, so that it is free and rust free and maintenance free. And also it got an exotic rustic look, which actually gives like the pride of the kitchen owning can. So these are the finishes which I have said. And coming to the accessories, so certain accessories in terms of the wire basket, we are actually the India's pioneer and actually the biggest manufacturers as of now. At the same time, we are also tied up with some of the international brands like Grass, Casaboomer, Slim, and Across, so that the end customer, like we want to provide the best-in-class product to the Indian consumer in one brand and assure the services across categories. So if you see that we had the bottom-based basket, we call it as a bolt basket. It is one of the innovative product launched by Sleek. So in terms of a new innovation product we are offering to the customer. We got a range of product accessories across all the segment in terms of the kitchen space. You name it right as a dado area, you name it as a corner unit, you name it as a long shutter, long tall cabinets, or you name it as into the pantry units. So we got an entire plethora of accessories range built up with us currently. So these are some of the hardware in unique solution. Apart from the regular unique hinges and channels kind of a thing, so we got some unique and exclusive range of product offering for the Indian customer as per the customer requirement is all about. If a customer is or a basic customer is all about, so we got a basic range. If the customer is elite and like looking like an exclusive range of offering, we got this best-in-class product across the globe and we are actually ready to offer this. So these are some of the products of the Casaboomer from Germany. So where we actually got a tie-up and actually offering the services in India. So apart from the accessories and hardware and the finishes, we are also making the kitchen service as a complete. What I mean by a complete, we also offer the range of appliances also. When I say appliances, right from kitchen hood, hob, dishwasher, oven, microwave, wine cooler, refrigerators, we got everything. So we got one more brand. We have been tied up with a Bosch and Siemens for the exclusive offering for the premium segment of customers. So we come every product. The idea is we want to be a single point of contact with the customer and provide a solution and a hazard-free. So that is the cup of we are making this bucket offering to the customer, so that we being the single point and reaching to the entire plethora of requirement of the customer. Yes, Sabina. So coming to the wardrobe, so I had discussed this is about the wardrobe. So wardrobes is all about arranging your storage solution perfectly. So Indian consumer dressing, so we actually customized as per the Indian consumer attire. For example, if you have like marriage wedding, you got a long dress, you got a occasional business for business people, you got a different attire. So based on the Indian consumer, we had actually modified the entire wardrobe storage solution and offering a unique and specially customizable thing into the customer range. So in the wardrobe range, if you actually look into, there is a range of wardrobe offering into, you know. So wardrobe, also we got this tie-up with, in terms of the hardware fitting for the wardrobe, we are tied up with a company called Romplus from Germany. So these are actually one of the premium players in the wardrobe fitting, where the functioning of the hardware is basically treated as a blade kind of a thing, where it actually functions very smoothly to ensure the quality performance over a period of time. When I say over a period of time, it is like 10 to 15 years kind of a thing. The smoothness is functional. So these are actually the way. So our core material comprises of the particle board, MDF, HDFs, and the plywood. Finishes is also have got a good range in terms of right from basic laminate, scratch resistant acrylic. We had incorporated our Nilaya series wallpaper in the portfolio, along with the PU, gloss moisture, glass, see-through glass, and also mirror-like finishes. So this is a complete range of wardrobe actually offering from our entire division. Moving on to the wardrobe products, the basic wardrobes will be into the hinge wardrobe. As you see in the left side of the screen, the basic hinge wardrobe, you have the customization of the internals as and when you require kind of a thing. And the right side will be the sliding wardrobes, where you got a 2-door and a 3-door options with a complete profiles of complete exclusive range of profile. And so right from the black, rose metal, everything, you got all the colors of range available in the sliding wardrobes also. Yeah, so coming to the wardrobes in terms of walk-in wardrobe, this is a walk-in wardrobe, something customer who are actually looking at the upper luxury segment. So this is a walk-in wardrobe luxury segment we are offering right now. So where this is a room-in-room concept kind of a thing where certain premium customers looks into. So this is the particular offering we are actually having, where we actually use Romplus hardware in this particular offering. So these are the wardrobe accessories. If you can actually have a quick look at into particular product accessories also. You got a trouser pullout as per the Indian requirement. If you want a basic thing, you got a basic wire basket. You want something powder coated wala, you got a powder coated. For your cufflinks and wallet and other arrangement also, you got water balances. For example, for your shoe positioning also, you got it. So the product portfolio is complete with the entire range of offering, either for the basic Indian customer or customer who is being exposed to different segment of lifestyle also. So as we move on, this is one of the unique concept we are actually offering it called as modular ready kitchens. So typically in South India, normally this is not very predominant in terms of the marble verticals. But by and large, what we see is rather than kitchen as amenity is very small in South. But actually what we offer is, we actually offer the basic carcass modules, the standardized modules in terms of the offering, which actually says this is a modular ready, rather than selling to the customer like modular kitchen is your scope kind of a thing. This actually shows a customer in terms of what she or he can imagine in terms of how their kitchen in this particular flat look like. So this is offer an innovative, why I call it innovative kind of a thing, because this is customizable. This is customizable with the hardware, the kind of hardware you want, the kind of accessories you want. And the beauty is, the problem is like mostly like, I don't want a uniform color across all my flats. This actually offers whatever the choice of customer want. For example, I want a PU green color, I will give green color. If you want a pastel color, I will give pastel color. So this is like give the skeleton of the kitchen so that customer can view and things like, okay, wow, this is how my kitchen looks like. And I can make my kitchen as per my requirement or as per my taste. So this is something like a Lego scheme. Since all these things are modules, we can resize it and reshape the design also. So this is a unique offering which are actually providing for the builders. Rather than offering an empty flat, empty without any kitchen, they can actually go with the modular ready concept so that they can give the skeleton of the kitchen. And this is not a huge on the pocket also. And we are very competitive in terms of, so this is not actually being a very huge on the pocket also. This is what the unique offering like. Yeah. So as we move at, first point I would like to say, what is that we are good at? It is about the installation. The pain point in the entire industry of modular kitchen is about installation. You show the design perfectly, but till you hand over kind of a thing, that is the main point which actually comes into. We were certified ISO 9001 in 2015, Green Guard certified and BFMA certified product in terms of our production capacity. In terms of the installation, this is company-owned carpenters or people who are on rolls of the company are being actually doing the entire installation. So we train them in terms of installing the exclusive range of product offering or high-end technological product in terms of lift-ups, pantry units, all this kind of a thing. These cars are important in terms of the train. So it's also like professional house which actually monitors in terms of everything like stage of project. So in terms of any builder is actually the process. We actually give the plan of things of like how we are going to execute the project so that you have clear idea when we are going to complete each and every session of the installation, update the progress of things, and we also arise a thing like by when we can actually complete the entire project. So this actually gives a very professional approach in terms of the installation. Second, we got some innovative ideas in terms of this kitchen also. We call it as a pre-drill kitchens. What I mean by pre-drill kitchens, even a small hole which is to be made to assemble any modular cabinet, the drilling is happened in the factory. What I get out of this pre-drilling, when I drilled it in the factory, a semi-skilled carpenter also can do an installation at a quick snap of time. Ideally, within a day or by a max, with the next day kind of a thing, I complete the installation because of the pre-drilling. Second, in terms of this pre-drilling is done in the factory, the size of the hole which is being made is accurate as per the requirement of the screw size, which actually increases my life of things. So this is what actually brings me to. Second, we also have compliances in terms of the, for example, some site is actually required some ESIC and PF and all this. So we actually adhere to all the SOPs and the safety and the protocols as per the statutory requirement. And we got a team across Pan India. It is not something like confined to only metros. We got a team across Pan India so that we are ready to take up any kind of installation or any kind of timeliness challenge in terms of installation Pan India. Yes, Abhinav. I would like everyone to actually give some attention in terms of this particular slide because this is the point I want to highlight certain things. First point in terms of the warranty. When I say warranty, this is the warranty from the Asian Paint Group. So when I say the warranty, so Sleek gives 10 years warranty from its kitchens. So again, it's just manufacturing defects. So the first year we got a free service, something like a car service. So for example, when you take a car, it got a free service, something like that. For the first year, we give 3 free services for the entire kitchen. We call up the customer, says, so do you have any issues in terms of your kitchen maintenance? So I go there, do the servicing, and actually make the servicing event. So this can be extended to next 3 years also as an optional paid service with a minimal basket. So what is the gut feel or what is that actually makes me to give this warranty? The things which actually makes myself different from the other players in the market is first, I am the one the manufacturer of this. SS basket 304 grade basket I manufacture, which I give lifetime rust-free warranty.
Hello, Sureshji, I think you're having some internet issue.
And when I come to apply, the laminate is pasted on both sides of the.
Yeah, I think it's better now. I think you can continue. Sorry.
Yeah. So what actually makes is this post finish is actually coming into 18 mm. This is what the standard practice is. But if you have any choice of customization, right, I would require, for example, say 20 mm or 25 mm or 16 mm kind of thing, that can be looked into what is the need is based on or what is the background of the chip. So coming to the big point is, what is the Sleek advantage for the developers who are actually right now in the group? The first point I would like to say, we are competitive. How we are competitive? We are competitive with a unique customized cost plus model pricing. What I mean to say by cost plus model is every flat is different, every design is different, and every customer price band of a project is different. So we customize as per your requirement and make a cost plus model. We don't want to say that my kitchen is, for example, say X amount of price, or my kitchen is about MRP plus itna discount, all this. You want to make a customized solution so that we are competitive in terms of reaching your developer requirement. Second, in terms of quality, strict adherence to the material specification as well as construction. We don't do cut and corners of construction cost because we studied everything in the market, what actually works, and we want to stand out. So that is the reason we have actually made our proposition very strong. Whatever we promise, that is the fairness we actually adhere to because that is the Asian Growth promise, that is what we do. Second thing, whatever the material we produce, we have the in-house material. It's not something like outsourced to some other parties and we just say like, okay, that is being done. We have the in-house manufacturing and we have a testing laboratory. So what I mean by testing laboratory, each and every batch of ply, each and every batch of laminate, each and every product is being tested and actually the quality is approved, then only we actually introduce it to the market. So I think this is one of the demarcation product which are offering from the entire industry. So second, in terms of the design expertise, we got a technically sound design within the option to personalize for individual requirement. So when I say in terms of the product quality, I would like to stress upon micro elements. For example, when I say edge banding is there. For edge banding, we use the company edge banding of a company called Rehav from Germany. So I can use them. In the market, there is an option of using at a 0.6 mm of a PVC edge banding also. But when I actually confine to a Rehav edge banding, that actually makes my shutter very smoothly operatable, and it gives me a life. I use a laminate of 1 mm thickness laminate. When I use a 1 mm thickness laminate, it has a higher abrasion resistance, so that my life performance actually goes up a next level, rather than having a 0.6 mm of the local market offering. At the same time, when I look into the legs, like a skirting legs kind of thing, I use the legs from this company called Slim from Europe. So these legs actually have a life of around 20 years. So that is the commitment from the Asian Paint Group Ambulay in terms of micro level management of each and every product offering to the developers who are right now in the group, so that we want to say that this 10 years warranty is not just a warranty kind of a thing. That's the very passion in terms of offering every product services, so that we live up to the Asian Paint promise, and we call it as Asian Paint Assure. We are 24 hours call away in a metro, and within 40 years hours, we will be reaching every customer across Pan India, because we are having right now around 130 cities covered across Pan India. So if a developer is placed at any of the smaller town, bigger town, wherever it is, our network is present, our infrastructure is ready to support you. So this is Suresh. I request Abhinav to take care of the bar presentation.
Sure. Thank you. Thank you, Sureshji. Sureshji, there are a few queries in the chat. Would request if you could answer them. I mean, on the chat itself. We'll proceed with the other part.
Will do. Thank you.
Sure. Thank you. Hi, everyone. Good afternoon. So now I'll take up the bath portfolio that we have in our in Asian Paints. So as mentioned earlier as well, while we have acquired a company called SS in the year 2014, SS has been in the business since 1990. So we have had a huge expertise in the category since 1990. In 2016, we introduced a premium range of bathrooms, which is Royale AP Royale, which is also available in paints as well as the premium most product. So we have a similar brand in the bath fittings as well. But our flagship brand for CP and sanitary ware, which is BathSense, that was launched in the year 2017. And we have added sanitary ware as well as CP fitting products under BathSense. So that is our mother brand in Asian Paints Bath division. And we have had a good turn of business for the last.
Abhinav, some disturbance?
Yeah, we can't hear you, Abhinav.
Looks like Abhinav has dropped out.
Hello.
Yeah, we can hear you now.
Yeah, I think Abhinav has joined back. Yeah.
I'm sorry. I must be some issue with the internet. I'm really sorry.
You have to project again.
Yeah, I'll do that. Yeah, is my screen visible?
Yes.
Yes.
Sure. So I'll just start off again with the touch-free product. So as I was saying, the need of the hour, and it's important to have. Hello, am I audible?
Yeah. One slide before, I think so.
Okay, did I drop off here?
No, Abhinav, you are audible. Go ahead.
Sure.
Take it.
So the touch-free products that I was talking about, all these products have some unique features like sleek designs, low voltage alarm when the battery of the product goes down, auto cutoff system where the product shuts off after 60 seconds of continuous usage to prevent any wastage of water. Anti-interference system, meaning if there are two products which are working simultaneously or next to each other, there won't be any interference and they will not hamper the performance of each other. And of course, shock resistant products. So all these are some of the key features that we have in our touchless product category. Now, along with the features, we also have some unique designs in our sensor products. As you can see, we have a flat design, we have a wall mounted design where we have a sensor on the flange as well as on the spout, a regular design which is widely accepted in a lot of commercial places as well. We are in fact the only brand in the industry to give a 2-year warranty on sensor faucets. And we have options available both in AC and DC. So like this is a category where we have focused a lot, and it has given us a lot of response as well in the last 6 to 7 months. uh, another set of products in the touchless category are the one piece closets, and we are the first company to have a water closet with touchless flushing mechanism. These one piece closets come with soft close seat covers, and they are all having a DC option as well. uh, Flushing kits are available separately, so if you want to convert any of your existing one piece closet to a touchless one piece closet, that can also be accommodated. And we have models which work in a siphonic flushing system as well. I'll discuss about the siphonic flushing, but I'm sure many of you might already be knowing about it. So this is our touchless category, touchless products which are the need of the hour. And this is where we pride, because we have had a lot of innovation in this category, and we'll keep adding products based on the requirement of the market. Now I'll get into the three different brands that we have. So the first one being AP Royal, where we talk about the premium products, luxury products, and products that command a strong sense of leadership in terms of style and in terms of quality. In the Royal category, we have some very elite and unique products like the thermostats. So if I have to talk about our thermostat, we use the Verne thermostatic cartridge, which is a high flow cartridge from world's number one player, Verne. We have 3/4 inch inlets and outlets to enhance the flow and the showering experience. Fully metal upper plates and handles, which ensure that the overall quality and the performance of the product is the best, and it doesn't get affected by the external pressures. We have a flow regulating spindle, a 35 flow regulating spindle. We are the only company to have this kind of an option in the thermostat. So this basically helps customer to customize their overall bathing experience as well. And all the three outlets can work together, and we're the only option in this segment to have that. If I have to talk about the cartridge, it has been tested for over 80,000 life cycles, which translates to more than 15 years of usage. And it has a safety mechanism where it cuts off in zero point 0.3 seconds in case the water is too hot. If it is beyond 45 degrees Celsius, it automatically cuts off to ensure safety and ensure that there is no damage done to the user. And there's a higher resistance as well due to high grade polymer that we are using in this cartridge. Talking about the signature collection that we have in our portfolio, we have four uniquely designed and beautiful ranges: Gold Rush, Pearl Glory, Diamante, and Silver Symphony, which not only have some very good quality components and products, but they also have a very unique design. So in Gold Rush, you can see it's a blend of gold and white. Diamante gives a kind of a diamond studded design. So yeah, unique designs, top class designs, which also have the best in class components to ensure that the customer has a beautiful experience using these components. Some unique collection as well in our Inspire portfolio, where we have some different designs which are the need of the market, and which are also which might not be as costly or as elite as a signature collection, but also some very unique designs which cater to the needs of the customers. Some of the key features that we have in our Royal portfolio: we use 3/4 inch spindles in all the Royal products. So this ensures that the products work even at low pressure. So they don't have any sort of flow problems, and the customers can enjoy their overall usage. We have better plating as compared to the competition, where we are using a PVD coating in all our gold plated products for higher durability. And the chrome thickness is such that it ensures that during the life of the product there's no chrome peel off or any sort of issues with the plating. We also have tiltable aerators in some of our unique Royal products, where you can, instead of splashing the water around in the basin and cleaning the basin, which kind of splashes the water outside the basin as well, we have tiltable aerators which tilt up to 10 degrees Celsius, and 10 degrees, I'm sorry. And you can basically move the flow to any direction you want, and the water the direction will be ensured to clean up the whole basin. So these are some of the unique features that we have in Royal. um, Now, in any luxury category, customers want to have a beautiful bathing experience, beautiful showering experience. So we have a lot of options in them. We have a ceiling shower which is 20 inches in size, which has a 2-flow function, mist flow and the rain flow, usually which is preferred along with the thermostat. We also have body jets in brass and ABS, and we also have a lot of rainfall and telephonic showers that are available. So more than 10 to 12 options in both telephonic and rainfall showers. And all these showers are basically of different categories, of different styles, which ensure that the customers have a unique experience while using them. Now I'll move to BathSense, which is our flagship brand. So we have a lot of unique ranges in BathSense, which ensure that the overall design preferences of the customers are met. But when I look in the market, a lot of brands talk about stylish designs, beautiful designs, but they're not talking about products that ensure that the needs of the customers are met or the problems of the customers are solved. So with the brand BathSense, we ensure that we are not only giving beautiful designs to the customers, but we also ensure that we are trying to solve some of the problems that customers face in their bathrooms. Now, what are those kind of problems? So water flow is a big problem in many parts of the country. Because of low pressure, people experience a very big problem when they are using the regular faucets. And that is why all our BathSense faucets are equipped with 3/4 inch spindles that work even at low pressure. So this ensures that the customers have a hassle-free experience, and they don't have to install pressure pumps or anything else. So in order to increase the pressure and hence increase the flow. The flow in showers on day 1000 is not the same as flow on day 1. That's an experience that we all have faced. Sometimes the nozzles break off, sometimes the water goes in a different direction, and that hampers the showering experience. But we have self-cleaning showers in this category that don't allow the dirt to get accumulated. There's a technology inside all the self-cleaning showers which pushes the dirt out of the shower once the shower closes. Whatever dirt gets accumulated because of the water coming in, and ensures that every time you take a shower, the shower also takes a shower and it gets cleaned. So that is one key feature of self-cleaning showers in brand BathSense. Then we have, water scarcity again is a big problem in many parts of the country, especially in some of the southern areas like Chennai. They face a huge problem in terms of water scarcity. So we have a dual flow aerator product that can save up to 50% water. This is an external aerator that comes in the brand BathSense, which has 2 types of flows, shower flow and foam flow. This can be attached to any faucet externally, and it can help in reducing the flow by 50%. So yeah, these are some of the problems that we are trying to address with the brand BathSense, not just beautiful designs, but problem solving as well. Talking about BathSense sanitary ware, so again, because it comes under the brand BathSense, it is important that these products also help in solving the problems of the customer. So bathrooms that understand you. Need for noiseless bathrooms. I'm sure all of you might have that kind of a thought that when you're going in the bathroom in the morning for 10 or 15 minutes, you need your peace of mind. And it's important to have a noiseless experience with your flushings and other systems. So we have feather closed seat covers, which ensure that there is no noise made when you close the seat cover, and silent flushing systems, which ensure that there is very minimal noise while flushing. Another problem is need for hygienic bathrooms, which is something that is the prime most important factor that people consider while designing their bathroom. So we have anti-black glaze finish and truly rimless closet designs that ensure that the bathroom and the sanitary ware products remain hygienic throughout the usage of the product, and there is no unhygienic element in the bathroom. Flushing systems that work in one go. You don't want to flush twice after using, so that because it also wastes a lot of water, and it doesn't look good as well. So we have flushing systems like 4D flushing, siphonic flushing, tornado flushing, which ensure that the overall flushing system happens in one go. So I have a small video here of the 4D flushing. I'll just quickly play it. Please, if someone can confirm if the audio is audible. I'll just play. Was the audio and the video properly visible?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, so this is the 4D flushing mechanism that we have. As you can see, there are 4 holes that are there in the sanitary ware product, and the water comes out from all of them and ensures that the full bowl gets cleaned in one go. So that is one example. The other flushing systems you might have already seen: siphonic flushing and tornado flushing. Siphonic flushing largely you can see in the airplanes as well. So yeah. So not just good designs, not just good products, but products with the perfect finish and anti-black glaze and ensuring that hygiene is maintained. We also have feather close seat covers that ensure that they are able to sustain high weights as well. So the bearing capacity of our seat covers is close to 400 kgs. They have been tested up to that, and the benchmark that was taken was sumo wrestlers. So they are one of the heaviest people on earth. So the benchmark was taken that even if a sumo wrestler sits on our seat covers, it should not break. We give a 2-year warranty on our seat covers and flush fitting. So that is also a unique feature which no other brand offers. Talking about our economy range, SS. So SS by Asian Paints, it not only has economy products, but it has good designer products which ensure that the needs of the customers are met. Some unique designs that we have: flat handle designs, stick handle designs. We also have half turn options. Some of our ranges work in even poor water conditions or hard water conditions, because they have a half turn spindle, half rising spindle, which is one of the best spindles available in the industry. So these are options to ensure that even in hard water conditions, the product functions perfectly. We also have Robust Pro, which is our fully ISI marked range, particularly for government projects where the requirement for ISI range is huge. It's a half turn range, which is full brass. The handles are also brass, and it ensures that the needs of the government are met, and it's fully under the ISI certification legality. And of course, it comes along with 10 years of warranty. Warranty I'll anyways discuss in the further slide. So it comes with a 10-year warranty, and it ensures that it gives the best performance to the customers as well. Now, these were the different brands. Diverters is one product that has gained a lot of popularity in the last few years. Customers are moving from wall mixtures to diverters, and it is important as a company to have the best diverter product in the portfolio. So we use a 40 Hydropass Plus cartridge in our diverters, and we have, it's the best in class product that we have. While we may be saying it, we have also got it tested in an external lab at IAPMO, where we got our diverter tested with a lot of competition brands, and it has been certified by the external lab that our diverter gives a much better flow as compared to the competition. It works even at a low pressure of 0.5 bar. And the most important feature or a very useful feature for our diverters is that it auto switches to spout mode on closing. So many a times, if it is on the shower mode and if another person comes to take bath, it becomes like a surprise for them. So it auto switches to spout mode on closing. And the other unique thing that we have is that our diverter body is compatible with all the brands, Royale, Bathsense, and SS. So if a customer decides to make a Royale bathroom or a Bathsense bathroom, and then later on wishes to change the design, they can do it even if they have installed the diverter body, because all the uppers are compatible with this common diverter body. Talking about a warranty of all the products. So we give a 10-year warranty on Bathsense and SS, and a 12-year warranty on Royale. We during the warranty period, we provide free spares to all the customers. So even if your product is 7 years old or 8 years old, we ensure that you at the time of service you get free spare replacement, whether it's a spindle or a handle or whatever. And we have a dedicated customer toll-free number for easy registration. We have a benchmark time of 48 hours, which is within 48 hours, the complaint will be attended and most of the complaints will get solved. If there is any further activity that has to be done at the complaint, the customer is made aware of it within 48 hours of complaint registration. We have more than 110 technicians across the country. In fact, the number is much higher now. We have close to 130, 140 technicians across the country to ensure that we are able to reach to each and every corner of the country and ensure that all the complaints are met in the right time. we have a paperless warranty registration system as well, where the customers at the time of buying can just call up the toll-free number, give basic details like name, address, brand, and their mobile number, and their warranty will be registered. So even while even when you register a complaint later on, if you don't have the bill, with the warranty registration that you have done online, you don't I mean, we'll have the data and we'll have the records that the product is under warranty, and it'll be serviced without any hassle. So with because of all our practices and because of all our processes that we have set, we have also been awarded with an ISO certificate. We are the only company across the country to have an ISO certificate in an after sales service, and this is a very unique thing for us because it's a kind of certification or a stamp on the fact that we provide the best after sales service to all our customers across the country. So we provide complete bath solutions to all the customers. We have products ranging from every price point and to every price point, and all the designs that are unique for the customers. We also have some of our products, almost 72 of our products that are approved in the IAPMO list, and they have been certified with a green rating and 3-star rating. So they can be used in the green building projects, which is equivalent to the platinum rating. So the flow rate is capped at 4 liters per minute, which is the requirement of the green building projects. And more products are going to get added as per the need of the customers and as per the requirements of IAPMO. So these will surely get added. So it ensures that we have a complete portfolio and we are covering all the projects and all the needs of the market. So yeah, this was about Asian Paints. We discussed about the different services that we have in APPS. We discussed about a lot of kitchen solutions and the kitchen products that we have. We have a lot of propositions in bathrooms as well. And with APPS integrating all of them, we become a single stop solution for all your building maintenance. So let it be from paints to waterproofing to any sanitizer or sanitization processes or flooring or bathroom solutions or kitchen solutions, to after sales service as well. So we are there for everything and we are a one-stop solution for that. So that's it from our side. If there are any queries regarding anything, you can probably write to us on bathsolutions@asianpaints.com.
Thank you, Abhinav. Thank you, Abhinav.
Thank you, Joseph.
Can we go back to the main screen?
Yeah, I'll just stop sharing.
So Abhinav, your presentation was as cute as you. The best thing which in overall your presentation, it was very informative, very innovative, and it will, really it was quite educative to all our developer members. And the best thing was on a light note about the flush, which you spoke about, which is the need of the hour, especially at this time when people attend their webinars from home. So good. So there are a lot of questions. In fact, there are a lot of questions, but we don't have much time. So we'll take few questions. So let me start with the first question from one of our developer member is, so after sales service of 10 years, what all is covered in that and how seamless is the process?
Sure.
So who will answer from Asian Paints?
Yeah, okay, so I'll take that, right? So hi everybody, this is Adarsh Bharati. I handle marketing for the BART division. So when we say 10 years warranty, so what we cover is basically everything, right? So including spare parts, right? So technician visiting the site and then getting the problem sorted, and even replacing if at all there is any spare part that is needed, right? So the entire works is completely covered when it comes to the BART portfolio. So for specific categories, the warranties are different and they are captured in a detailed manner in our warranty manual. For CP fittings, it is 10 years. And for sanitary wares, the moving parts, basically the flush fittings and seat covers, we offer a 2-year warranty, which is, again, the best in the industry, right? So as Abhinav shared during his presentation, so we are the only ones in the industry to have a ISO certified after sales service, right? So it has been one of our biggest talking points and strengths in the BART business.
Okay, great. The second question is from Mr. Sudipta Chakraborty. He is head leak-proof structure, planning, safety and quality from L&T Larsen and Toubro. So his question is for sleek pre-drilled kitchens, how does the value offering work and how do you ensure quality products, timely and error-free installation, which is very, very important in fitting the kitchen, and proper fit at the site?
Yeah, so I will take that. This is Pradeep here. I'm handling projects for Sleek. Yeah. So as you rightly said, this is a very, very pertinent, requirement today. Kitchen being, in the end stages, just before handover, there is always an urgency and to crash the timelines, right? So how to ensure the timelines are crashed further. So in this regard, what we have done is we have actually gone ahead and started this concept of pre-drilling the kitchens. So in that way, what we do is even the hardware markings and the drilling is done in the factory itself, right? So that the one thing is that the entire process of installing at the site, that timelines reduces drastically. So we have seen that the normal installation timeline of used to take around 3 to 4 days is actually brought down to almost 1 to 1.5 days. That is one. And second, even in terms of the overall alignment itself, since the marking is done and all the pre-drilling, that is the drilling of holes is done in the factory, we ensure that the exact hardware size requirements are matched. And because if done locally, there are chances of mismatch and alignment issues. So this is something that pre-drilling is something that we have adopted in Sleek, and we have realized that it can crash the timelines, to a great extent. And the second part about quality, just to reiterate what Suresh also mentioned, both the manufacturing is also in-house and the installation is also done by our own installation team, thereby having a complete check and control on the overall kitchen quality, both the product part as well as the service part. I hope that answers the question.
Yes. So now the third question is from Mr. Nilesh Puranik from Puranik. Nilesh ji?
Yeah, Joseph. I think I had a question. Probably Abhinav has already answered it. So my question was that in terms of diverter, how the Asian Paint is different than the other competitors. So I guess if Abhinav can again a little make an elaboration on that.
Sure, sir. So basically, the diverter, as I had mentioned earlier, it has become the new requirement of the market. People want to move from a wall mixture to a diverter primarily because of its compact design. So our diverters actually have the Hydroplast cartridge, which is one of the best-in-class cartridges that is available, and it has its size is 40 mm. What it ensures is that it works even at a low pressure. So because of its size, we are able to even function it at 0.5 bar, which at a bigger size it might not function. It might not function at less than 1 bar. So at 0.5 bar also our diverter works. We have as I had mentioned, auto switch mechanism in it. So once you switch off the diverter, it will switch to the spout mode. So to ensure that there is no harm to the customer when the next customer comes into use if it's a lot of hot water. And pretty smooth movement from a cartridge point of view, and the fact that it is compatible with all of our ranges. I mean, you don't have to install a different diverter for a different range. You can install the diverter and then you can design your bathroom probably a little later. If you want to change the design, you can do that as well. So we have also got it certified from an external lab that our flow rate is also much better as compared to bigger diverters probably that are available in the market, but the flow rate and the qualities and the performance is much better.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Again, Mr. Sudipta from L&T, he has a question.
Hi, good evening. My question is regarding the smart assurance system, what Jayadar has spoken about. Now, he was talking about the quality of the waterproofing systems. Now, quality comes into two parts. One is quality control and one is quality assurance. By doing audits, periodical audits, he can ensure the quality assurance. But how Asian Paints can improve the quality control? Because quality control is basically day-to-day activity and it's a basically proactive approach. In quality assurance, it will be basically an a reactive approach. So how Asian Paints can do a proper quality control check or pre-approved approach for this waterproofing part?
Okay, great.
So I'll request.
Abhinav, little louder.
Sorry, I'll request Jaydutt if you could answer the question.
Jaydutt is on mute.
Yeah, I think Jaydutt is having some connection issues. Just 1 second. Sorry, sir. I'll just get back to you.
Yeah, no problem.
Yeah. By the time, let me tell you that you have so many products, and CREDAI MCHI also does a lot of work related with NGO. So we did. So recently, during the COVID, we had 200 mobile dispensary van across MMR area. So we had thousands of doctors working for COVID, and there were 2 quarantine center was managed by MCHI. So even one more thing, what we are doing is we are also getting into vaccination. So the vaccination drive would be managed by CREDAI MCHI in MMR area. One more thing which is interesting, that we are also making a police station which is in Bandra East, which comes under our CM's area, and that police station was inaugurated in 1985 by Balasaheb Thackeray, and fortunately now his son is a CM, and that police station comes under his jurisdiction, and it's a purely CSR work which MCHI is carrying out. 50-60% work is done, 50-60% work is balanced of the entire police station. We want to make it a very high-tech police station. And, so we will talk offline, that you could be, from your CSR, it could be a great help if you could, you have a bunch of products. So you could, we will discuss offline whenever your team has a time. It's one of the best CSR activity which we are doing for the cops. And what cops has done, what the doctors has done, nurses has done for this COVID is just our contribution towards the police of Mumbai. We'll discuss later. So Jaydutt is there now?
Yeah, he is available.
Yeah, hi.
Jaydutt,
Sorry,
did
I
you
was
hear
having
the
some.
question?
No, sorry, Mr. Sudipta. Can you just repeat that, please?
No problem. Sudipta, can you repeat, please?
Yeah, sure. Jaydutt, when we're talking about the smart assurance system, you talk about the quality.
Right.
Now, quality aspect comes with 2 parts. One is quality control, one quality assurance. By doing periodical audits, as you mentioned in your presentation, you can do the quality assurance. But what kind of activity you are going to do to control the quality? Because that is the most crucial part. Because audit will give you some reactive process to make the rectification. But quality control will give you the proactive approach. So what will be your proactive approach of quality control process to get a complete watertight structure?
Yeah, just to kind of lay out the process for that answer, I think one of the main things that we had initially gotten into when we had gotten into the sphere of waterproofing or providing some sort of a service was, like you mentioned, not just being very confident on the product part, but the process part. So the process, like we said, we start off with, say, actually having a proper site visit, which talks about not just where a product comes in, but also understanding if there are other associated ideas which are causing or can potentially cause a derailment of the process going forward. So even something like, say, surface preparation, which normally might not come under our purview, that is also something we look into and suggest, saying that, there needs to be something done specifically on that front. Also, we have something like isometric drawings with a 3D view, so that everyone is very clear on how this entire process needs to be executed. So all of these steps actually make the service more comprehensive, rather than us just coming in with, say, a product and saying, okay, what, this is something that can solve the problem on its own. So that entire process is what we kind of focus on over here. And of course, like you mentioned, the audit part is one aspect of it. It probably helps us. It only helps us, like you said, probably react to certain situations. But the pre-work that goes into the site is what we have also focused on as part of our offering in order to make it more robust.
Okay, great. Great.
So thank you so much. Thank you so much. There is one more question which has come now. So it's very interesting. Interesting for me as well. How does the overall buying and after sales process work for all products post integration? Everyone is silent. Tricky hai kya?
No. So in order to answer that, I would request if Vikram sir could help us with it. Vikram sir is online. Just 1 second.
You're on mute.
Yeah, yes. Yeah. Thank you. Yeah. Thanks, Joseph. Yeah, it's currently we work between the bath, kitchen, and Asian Paints. We have different teams who are working on the projects. But the person who basically visits the project or meets the customer or the decision maker is a common person. He is the one who basically will ensure that any query which comes to him, that query is being passed on to the relevant stakeholder, and then there is a joint representation done. So the person who is the primary contact with the customer is the one who owns the entire piece at his end. And there will be, and he's the person who coordinates and ensures that all the services are provided to him. So very recently, I was just talking about to Pradeep. For example, today morning, we have got one particular such success where a Sleek customer is associated more older than us as at Bath with the Sleek team. So when we met him, he also showed an interest to basically know about our bath products. We detailed out the products, and a certain amount of technical discussions were also taken up with him. Because of the ease of dealing with us, because one person is known to him and that is handling his account as a key account manager from Sleek, they have opted out to basically choose the bath product also. So they are existing customer of Paints, they are existing customer of Sleek, and now they have become an existing customer of Bath. So the person who is handling the Pune geography is the one who is the single person touch point for him to basically deal the entire situation. So there is expertise at the back end who will take care about the installation part or the after sales service, or in case of various other services which are there in case of APPS, whether it's SaniSure, whether it is basically technical support from the technologist at the site. But the person who is dealing primarily with the customer is a single point contact. So you can be rest assured about it. With the existing guy with whom you are dealing is the person basically to get all the services from bath, kitchen, and paint to the relevant person.
Thank you. Any more question? Because this question, I believe it's very tricky, because generally being an Asian Paint, sales will never be a problem because you are a brand, people will trust you. The main challenge is post sales.
Yeah,
that is servicing. That would be very challenging for you people. So
I completely agree.
Yes,
I completely agree with you, and that is where this integrated offering in terms of the one touch point handling of the customer has become as something which really got worked upon in this particular period of COVID times also. So earlier, yes, we were basically approaching the customers separately, but in the last 1 year, this has been put into a proper structure, and it is a formal way of working of Asian Paints to connect with the customer, handle all his queries, and see to it that any of the three services or the product offering what he's looking forward to is owned by a single guy who is the primary contact known to him.
So I'm sure this will, definitely work with B2B and B2C, because B2C, I will share my experience. I've just done my house, and it was very tough, coordinating. Obviously, I had an architect, but still, coordinating, going to different showrooms, checking. It took us 1 year to complete the work. So once you have, everything under one umbrella, it would be very easy for people like us to complete the house within less time and save money also. And same with B2B as well. So there are all developers. They would save a lot of time, a lot of money, a lot of energy. And, as I'll repeat again, this is the right time. Market sentiments are good. Everything is perfect for you. We'll keep doing such events for you people. Thank you so much, Mr. Pragyan Kumar. Thank you so much for the entire Asian Paints team. Our members, convener, Mr. Nimesh Ajmera, our co-convener, Mr. Nilesh Puranik. I have so many names to say, but now I think we are crossed our time limit. Now it's a time for tea. It's a tea time for everyone. I hope the session was quite educative, informative, and innovative. And we'll share all the details with our members. And I'm sure they will get in touch with you. The session started with Mr. Nimesh Ajmera wanted to meet you all. So it was a good sign. And there would be a lot of business for in this coming year, 2021, I believe. I'm very confident that it would be great for all of us. In fact, when I talk to people, you know, the main topic is in the country is real estate kaisa hai. Bhav upar hai, niche kya. Everyone's topic is about real estate. So, you know, I tell people, abhi to this is the right time to buy, and the market is, believe me, the market is really good. I'm sure jo bhi bura time ja raha, abhi tak gaya nahi hai, and time will go, and we'll have a good time to come. So thank you so much once again, the entire Asian Paints team. We'll see you on 22nd again. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you so much, Joseph.
Thank you, Joseph. Thanks for it.
Thank you, everyone.
Yeah.
Thank you all.
Everybody.
Thank you.
You can log off, have a nice tea, and have a nice weekend.
Thank you.